Guys, I don't care what other people have. I don't care if you have a mansion. Tina Moose, thank you. I don't care if you are driving a private jet. I am just comfortable in my simple way of doing things. So the idea of people out there, Nyako is jealous. Hapendi vitu za watu. Huyu nyanya. Hey. Oh, how will I be jealous? And I am the same person who has awarded Kenyans millions in times of helping.
Hello guys, it's your girl Patience Status. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription box and put on the notification bell so that you're not any time I post a new video. Remember, I'm the queen of online gossip. So welcome to today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment on the comment section.
Put bitter. Share her bitterness with you. Sawa. Rub some robe on their soul, rub some love, rub some smile, rub some nasty laughter, and keep going.
Yeah.
When you keep throwing stones to a bitter soul, hakuna tofauti ya nyinyi nyote. When you keep responding to somebody addressing you, hakuna tofauti ya nyinyi. One of you must emerge the winner, and the winner is the smartest one. Either you keep quiet or you be smarter by what? Serving kindness. Don't share bitterness that you don't know where it's coming from. We cannot be bitter for the rest of our life on social media. I have refused. So the only remedy to a bitter soul is what? Serve them with love. Serve them with love. Malizeni life goal. Alafu tupige story. See my life here. This is my Adi yangu wanipati nyo, maisha yangu imekwenda viral. Tuma handat! Tumeniapo handat! Handat yawa! Handat! Vikei! Handat! Tuma handat! Handat yawa! Handat! Tuma handat! Handat! We all have problems. We all have priority. VK.
I was in a tunnel
and see the light. Amor kweli kweli.
See the sky. Sometimes when I'm standing,
Too many handat. VK, thank you. Talk. Our graveyards zitachimbwa kwa hii TikTok. Coffins zetu will be lowered on TikTok. Hakuna mali tunaenda. UDP. UDP. Thank you. Thank you. Meru Pretty, you're welcome. Treat people with kindness, guys. Treat people with kindness. Don't overwork yourself being angry. Anger is too human, yes. Hold anger for a period of time. Get over your anger. Iyo ingine, wachia God. God also forgives us for the bad things we do. We are not perfect. I am not perfect. there are things I do that I have to repent and seek forgiveness. My sins do not have to be grievous or bad. A sin is a sin. It doesn't matter what kind of sin you commit. Don't allow your heart to be bitter from Sunday to Sunday. Wewe uko tu bitter. You are chasing revenge. I must revenge. I must do something bad to this person. Na mtu unamrevengea hata umjui. Free your heart. Breathe in, breathe out. Uyo mtu alikukosea. Yes, you want to wear the same shoes that person is putting on, you are headed nowhere. The greatest gift of life is forgiveness. The greatest gift of life is to treat people with kindness, no matter what. VK, thank you. Guys, we are going to have peace on Nyako's platform. Peace that surpasses things that you have ever imagined. I have been flowing with the current. I have been dancing with the bullshit. But my heart, I didn't sleep last night. I asked myself so many questions. I asked myself, what do you want? Do you want to live like this? Do you want to live getting angry? Do you want to live reacting to a mosquito bite with a hammer? The moment we react to things that we are not happy about, we reduce our lifetime, because you react with so much anger, you overwork your heart, you overwork your nerves, you are getting old shouting on camera. The only way to conquer a fight is by smiling about it, not even reacting. You didn't hear, you didn't see, haikuhusu. Wewe fanya vile utafanya, ukimaliza amka, fanya vile utafanya, tunaendelea na safari. Once you also get bitter to somebody who is trying to make you in their level, these are already bitter people that are trying to put you in the same level, then the other party has won, because that is their target. Mtu anataka akisema 5, unakuja unasema 10. Then hiyo 10 anaenda anaichukua anaimake into 20. And then after 20 unakuja unarudisha 30. 30 goes to 40. Yani hiyo kitu inaenda tu, it is just building like a mountain. It is just building to a point. It will explode and nobody is going to win between the two of you. So the only way is one of you must lower their ego in a fight. In a fight, one of you must behave smart, even if you are not smart. Behave smart, play smart. Your days will be lengthened if you are a smart person in any fight. Even in business deals, usipeleke anga. Unaweza cheswa ukasema ni sawa, hata kesho ni siku. Sawa sawa. So guys, I'm going to play this game smart. I'm going to, yani naenda kuvaa nguo mpya na viatu mpya kwa hii TikTok platform. I am a content creator, a talented one. I don't struggle to download my content. Why am I struggling every day to give people my limelight? Why am I struggling every day to give people my fame? I am naturally talented to do what I do. I don't force myself to put my talent out there. It is natural. And I have been giving people fame for the longest. Sai, I want to be mean with my fame. Hata kama ni kidogo kiasi gani. I know that I am relevant. Whether you like it or not. I am relevant in my own way. Watu wako relevant, but I am relevant in my own way. I can move a crowd if I want to. So Why do I struggle to give people my fame? Why am I allowing people to walk in my shadow by responding to them, by minding what they say about me? This is a big mistake. It is a huge mistake. Mtu ana content lakini ameshika nguo yako hivi na kufa na wewe. Wewe mama, wewe ndio ninakutaka. I want to be smart. Wewe nishike tu nguo, me I don't care. Irarue hata ukitaka kurarua. Beba hiyo nguo ukitaka. You are none of my business. You are none of my, hiyo matope sitembei. I have decided to take a new road on this internet social media thing. No matter how much mutaniskuma. No, guys. We have done this thing for so long and it's enough. It's enough. And anytime my followers, I go out of the way. Munanirudisha. Anytime you see me going out of the way, munaniambia Nyako, kuja. Or call Chinedu to call me. Call Chinedu to call me because I am not perfect. I need you guys to guide me. Kuniambia Nyako, don't. Nyako hapana, hapo hatuendi. Juzi mliniambiaje? Si niliwasikia?
Exactly.
There are things that will leave you with a permanent scar and you will never get over. You know, I looked at that lady and then I thought to myself, huyu mwanamke hivi vile amefanywa, and she's going to live with these scars for the rest of his life, of her life. Hizi scars zinaenda kumake the way she looks at things, you know, it has changed her life permanently. And I don't think if she can ever get over that. Edna, thank you. There are things, yani I looked at that lady because I am also similar to her, but my situation is different because my situation, it is not on my face, it is hidden. But sometimes kuna situations zingine ukiangalia ya mtu unasema eri wewe. I will not like anybody to go through a permanent scar in their life. Guys, ukiona toxic relationship and it is headed on that road of somebody want to destroy how you look, somebody want to Riza, thank you. Somebody want to interfere with you in the most damaging way that, you know, kwanza kuna permanent scars zingine ufanya mtu yani every second unataka kujiua. Ukiona uko kwa hiyo situation kama hiyo, just run. I don't know hii obsession ya wanaume. We cannot afford permanent scars or what. Permanent scar, getting rid of a permanent scar is impossible. Getting rid of a permanent scar is impossible. Imagine mtu anakuwa ngapi? You have a whole life ahead of you. Why am I talking about this? When I saw that lady today and I compared this lady with what is happening to me on social media, I think her situation is worse than mine. Mine, I can hide. When I go out, I can afford a fake smile. Nobody will know what I'm going through. Lakini, ile umewekwa kwa uso, yani you walk with it anywhere. Watu wanakuuliza, what happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? You might end up even not getting a partner. So guys, there are situations kama hii yangu ya kuwekwa kinembe online. Let these things not make you do the worst to yourself. You have children. Your kids need you. There are people who are going through worse situations. Iyo yako bado sio mbaya. You can get over it. Learn to swallow some bitter things that people do to you. Binadamu tumegeuka watu wabaya. Just be kind, thank you. Tumegeuka watu wabaya. But usijimalize. Imagine you leaving your kids because you are selfish. You don't want to live with the shame. What will people say about you? Let people talk. But don't let people define your destiny. Define your destiny on your own. Let the world laugh at you. Let the world ashame you. But define your destiny. Look yourself in the mirror. Talk to yourself. Talk to your destiny. Because you know what? When you put off this camera, you are alone. You are alone. Nobody is going to knock your door and define you, what you should do and how you should do it. So guys, some things might be very painful, and I know most of us hatuna courage ya kuface hizi vitu shameful. So dunia imeisha. Unatoroka unaenda wapi? Put on that crown of shame and turn it into something beautiful. Put that crown of shame and use it for your own benefit. Don't make the crown of shame bring you down. Kuna mtu anabeba mzito kuliko hiyo yako. Kama hiyo kitu haikukuua, my sister, you are going to heal. You are going to heal and you are going to look at life differently. So before you make decisions that is going to jeopardize yourself, look at your children, look at your partner, look at your relatives, look at anybody that values you. When you do the worst to yourself, hawa watu watabaki aje? Msikuwe selfish. People are going through things out here. Msikuwe selfish. And there is nothing that you cannot heal from. VK, thank you. You can heal from everything if you give yourself time and you are determined. You can heal. Hakuna kitu impossible hii dunia. Kama bado unapumua, you can still heal. If you give yourself that chance, if you stop working in groups, if you stop hearing huyu anasema hivi, huyu anasema hivi, I think the best path in life we can take is decide things for ourselves and focus. You will always come up with the best outcome for yourself. And guys, I repeat, you are strong.
Okay, no.
You can make the best decisions when you are alone. When you are walking in the wilderness alone and there is nobody to advise you, there is nobody to pity your situation, you don't ask anybody, am I looking nice? If I go like this, itakuwaje? Make those decisions on your own and trudge on and focus. Walk that walk. I tell you, hakuna. The strongest walk is a lone walk. If you want to be a winner, you have to be alone. And you have to say, you know what? I am the best thing that has ever happened to this world. I am the most beautiful. I am the strongest. I can conquer the world. If somebody tells you you are ugly, turn that ugliness into beauty. If somebody tells you are poor, work hard to get rid of that your poorness. You can be anything in this world if you are still breathing. You can still climb that mountain. If everybody wali climb your mountain, wakafika at the peak, what about you? What are you scared of? And you don't need anybody to convince you that you can do it, because you can do it. Every soul has a purpose. Give yourself your purpose. Armor yourself. Get out. And go and conquer. You guys, we are capable of getting out of our situation. Everybody. The most important is the decision you make will determine the outcome. Lakini wewe ni kama ule wa kusikiza, amesema, yawa, sasa kinembe yangu iko online. Nitaweka hii kichwa wapi? Yawa, brother wangu ataona hiyo kinembe. Yawa, anko yangu. Nitafanya nini? If you are a pity person, you will not survive. The world is mean. Nobody cares about what you feel. Nobody cares about you. You have to care about yourself more than what people think about you. Put on that crown of shame and walk with it. You are going to emerge somebody better, somebody stronger. Don't be a pity-party person. For you, it is important what the world think about you. What is somebody saying about you? What people say about you is not important. It is what you think about yourself and how you carry out yourself out there is the most important. When you go to look for work or when you go for interview, you are alone. And how you carry out in that interview determines if you are going to succeed or not. Mimi sijaona rafiki anapelekwa interview, unashikana na rafiki yako. People do interviews alone. It's either you fail or you pass. So wear the armor of courage and learn to walk alone. I want my followers to learn to walk alone. I want my followers to learn to be independent. Don't be a pity-party person. Nangoja bwana yangu hajafika. Siwezi kula. Hakuna chumvi, hakuna sukari. Bwana amechelewa. Girl, wake up. Go and take a shower. Dress up. Start being independent. Tunajua uko na bwana. Don't wait for your husband. Wacha arudi umwambie hata mimi nimeleta hii. Na hapo ndio heshima uanzia. If my wife can bring this, then I have to pull up. Usikue a Mrs. I'm waiting. I am waiting. If my husband cannot do it, I also cannot do it. Bila ijalipwa, sitima, sijui nini. And these are the things that make relationships to deteriorate. Girl, you have your brains. You are beautiful. You are still breathing. You are not sick. Wake up. Dust yourself. Conquer the world like everybody else. Why should somebody tell you you are poor? And you are still breathing like that person telling you you are poor. You poor! You are not there! I'm not there! Go to work! Why should you wait for somebody to tell you to go to work? Ati go to work. Na huyo mtu anakwambia you go to work. Anakujua kiasi gani? Somebody is telling you to go to work, alafu wewe pia unaamka, you are going to work. Do your things according to how you want to do them. Just be kind, thank you. Focus on yourself. What anybody says, what anybody shouts, what not, is none of your business. Do you. You must not do everything that everyone is doing. Every Tom, Dick and Harry. Kwa sababu nani anafanya, wacha pia mimi nifanye. Be unique and surprise us. Conquer the world like Nyako. You come out of your cheap apartment. You get rid of all your beautiful things. If you are stagnant, of course. If you are not seeing any development where you are, get rid of that shit. Go and find somewhere a different place where there are challenges, where you can challenge the world also. Si ati unakaa tu umeshapata comfort zone and you are still breathing. Hebu mchangamke na msipende vitu cheap, because this one is cheap. I'm just gonna rest here. Me, I'm scared. I don't want to face the world though. Maisha ni ngumu sana, itakuwa ngumu sana. Learn to, someone is knocking. Give letters. Lakini what determines those letters ni barua aina gani? Sawa, ni barua aina gani? Don't be scared of letters. The only way the government communicates to any citizen in Germany is through letters. If you don't get letters, then it means you are not living in Germany. Barua ni lazima. If you are officially registered, you are officially a resident in Germany, barua ni lazima. Unless you are illegal. If you are illegal, hakuna barua utapata. So, getting a letter is just a form of communication. It is just a form of communication. Don't be scared. Yeah, it is all over Europe, America. That is the only way of communication. So, weka mate mlangoni, nani teleze. Sasa, guys, wacheni niwaambie Kiro. Meru Pretty, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the money guns. Be blessed. I know what people are up to. I'm party kwangu. Something. Have you noticed something? This is just now between us. Have you noticed something that I have been making people trend because of my stupidity? And people know that, oh, with Nyako you will trend. Enda tu mchokoze kidogo. Uta trend. I've just told you that I have become smarter. I have seen, I have not seen. Hainihusu. I want to be mean with my fame. Kila mtu afuate nyayo. Kila mtu afanye mambo yake. Hainihusu. It doesn't make me tremble. I just want to teach my big mouth to shut up. Vitu hazinihusu. People have known that I am very easy to poke. And you know what? I make people to trend easily. I am that star that if I call your name, you will trend automatically. So, wewe kama umekuja kunichokoza, Nyako has changed. Sitakutaja. Wewe tuma gift uende zako, hainihusu. And I am not competing with anybody. I'm competing with myself. Guys, learn to compete with yourself. Learn to run your own race. You cannot live somebody else's life. Unaweza fikiri huyo mtu unataka kuishi maisha yake, anaishi maisha mazuri. Kumbe wololo. Wolololololololololololo. Learn to run your race and learn to be contented in your race. Maisha ya mtu hauwezi vaa. Maisha ya mtu hauwezi ishi. Be contented in your own footsteps. Angalia za watu, kuwa na tamaa, but don't go to an extent of aping somebody else's mess. I hope message is home. We are not competing with anybody.
It's a top selector.
Ninapata katika maisha yangu imenitosha. And that song is just singing about me now. Guys, I don't care what other people have. I don't care if you have a mansion. Tina Moose, thank you. I don't care if you are driving a private jet. I am just comfortable in my simple way of doing things. So the idea of people out there, Nyako is jealous, hapendi vitu za watu, huyu nyanya, hey. Oh, how will I be jealous? And I am the same person who has awarded Kenyans millions in terms of helping. If I was competing with life, I want to show the world I can own everything. Guys, ningefanya mambo mingi na hizo pesa zenu. You trusted me with your money in millions. It was not 10 shilling, it was not 1,000, it was millions. So, I don't know where mnapatanga hii idea. Nyako ako jealous, Nyako this, Nyako It is not that way. I am contented. Do you know there are millionaires who own Mickey, Liza, Mikael. Can you be Liza? Guys, Mikael will forget what I'm saying. What was I saying?
The millionaires. It wasn't millionaire.
Yeah, guys, there are millionaires who never owned mansions. See ati hawataki. It is just their way of life. There are millionaires who never wore designer clothes. See ati hawataki. They don't want. So, guys, I am a millionaire in my heart. I don't care about material. Sijui nani ako na nini, sijui Nyako atalia, sijui. Imagine, I think I am very, very comfortable. And this is just my way of life. And guys, respect it, because this is what I want for myself. I'm comfortable with my tuk-tuk. My tuk-tuk is here in Hamburg. I have it here. I'm comfortable in it. Nitaiendesha mpaka ile siku itaniambia siwezi tembea tena. Then we are going to buy a car. I promise. But for now, guys, muniache tu. I am not complaining. And I am just challenging myself. Being that I have moved from my apartment and I have come to a different city, and it's not gonna be easy either for me, but I'm ready to face the challenges that come with it. Bora uhai, just be kind. Bora uhai. Na mimi nitatembea na nyinyi hata kama ninalala nje, tutatembea pamoja. Bora nimejiaccept. Bora nimejiaccept. Na nimewambia guys, this is what I'm going through. Muniite maskini, muniite what not, muniite mwizi, it's not gonna change anything how I do my things. I cannot live somebody else's life. Mikael, stop it. Mickey, Musta sign. He's not even hearing me. I'm over earphones.
So it's nice outside. Your mom is like.
Ameweka earphones, sijui anaimba nini hapa. No. Ameweka earphones, anaimba vitu zake. Why don't you just put the bread on the teller and you eat it?
Nee, danach bin ich fertig.
Just talk to him for a minute. Sasa naongea na mtu ana nini? Wacheni niwaonyeshe. Nisiwaonyeshe. Mta screenshot. Naongea na mtu ana nini? Ana chill. He's chilling. Ako kwa game. Wow, thank you guys for the presents. So guys, tomorrow I'm going back to Bad Kreuznach. In any case, uko na court case inakusumbua. In any case, unataka kudeliver barua. In any case, mnataka kuleta mafuta ya nguruwe. Kesho niko Bad Kreuznach. So come one, come all. Tomorrow I'm going to pack the rest of the things that remained there. So tukutaneni huko tomorrow. I'm traveling tomorrow to do the rest of the packing. Alafu I will hire somebody to take care of the walls. Evo. Yeah. So in any case, uko na haja sana na mimi kwa mambo ya kiserikali, please tuma barua kesho Bad Kreuznach. Just send the police to my place, watanipata hapo kwa mlango. I know finding me at the moment is very difficult because I don't have address. Huwezi nipata hata kwa computer. So tomorrow wale watu wa polisi kesho tumeni polisi. I'll be in Bad Kreuznach in my old address. They will catch up with me tomorrow. Sawa sawa. Meanwhile guys, si nimemaliza. Meanwhile, anybody that angers you, treat them with kindness. Make them calm. Don't react to a mosquito bite with a hammer. Nobody is gonna know the difference. Anapiga nduru huko, unapiga nduru huko. Kuma ya mamako, takataka, umbwa, adrenaline. Oh, both of you are going to end up in the hospital. Mwingine akona heart attack, mwingine akona pressure. Hakuna tofauti ya nyinyi wawili. Do not serve or do not, I don't know that word in English. The ego. Do not fulfill the ego of a bitter person. Ebu mnipate the right word. Do not massage the ego of a bitter person. Nobody will know the difference. Bwana yako kama amekasirika, amechemuka 100 degrees, mwambie baba yawa. Baba, we can talk about this thing. Sasa unakasirika nini? Behave stupid. You might lose your teeth, or you might lose your eyes, or unaweza mwagiwa maji moto. Jibu ya mtu amekasirika ni to cool them down. Unamwambia it shall be okay baby, don't worry. Not everybody wako na hii patience, I know, including me. Team Nyako, let us now start practicing the art of not reacting to anger. Practice it. It is not in us. Practice it. Ukiona mtu amechemka, mwambie ndio utachemka pia wewe, but if you compare both situations, you might end up being hurt more than this person that is angry. So kill these situations with kindness. Na kama unaishi na parrot, kama unaishi na parrot, take a break. There are men that are parrots and there are women that are parrots. Take a break. Mwambie baby, mimi hata nataka kuenda ushago hata wiki mbili nipumzishe akili. No human being can live with a parrot from Sunday to Sunday. You will run mad. And there are parrots that never get tired. They want to keep you busy. Akiona tu umepumzika hivi, na wewe ni mjinga, you will be reacting. Unaambia parrot nyamaza, unanipigia kelele, nitakutandika. My friend, by the time una feed ego ya parrot, ninyi nyote mko sawa. Ondokea parrot. Mwache hapo apige kelele. Rudi kama amelala, atalala definitely. Rudi kama amelala. Then you have your peace. Tumechoka na kelele, guys. We are tired. Yawa. We have massaged people's egos kwa hii platform ya kutosha. Ukisikia parrot ana parrot, zima hiyo simu. Kwani ni lazima kuwe TikTok? Is it a must? Imeandikwa wapi lazima tukue TikTok? Funga, toka uende. Rudi kama uko refreshed. At least if you have a choice. Everybody has a choice. Hakuna mtu amefungua hii TikTok kuja hapa sikia hii maneno. There are things you can ignore. You must not listen to everything. So me, I have discovered my potential today. I had a very good talk with somebody who put only 2 words in my head. These 2 words I will share with you one day, not today. But those 2 words, they have changed me dramatically. I just want to be somebody who treats her enemies with kindness. Umesema, umemaliza, I clap for you. Next. Umemaliza. Next. Hiyo energy sina. It is draining. It is draining. Na umejua huku majuu wanawake wamefietuka. Sio njaa ya mijulus, sio loneliness, sio hangover ya pombe, sio kumimisment ya relatives, sio kumisugali na mboga, sio kumistu hiyo hewa ya Kenya. People are running mad out here. If you feed their ego, mtakuwa tu sawa. Run. Sasa mimi vile niko na opportunity ya kukuja Kenya anytime I want. Why should I feed people's ego? Yawa. Mtu amekasirika, ameshindwa kuenda Kenya, mimi nianze tu kumjibu. Nimekosa kazi yawa. Nimekosa kitu ya kufanya. What is wrong with me, Nyako? Nini mbaya na mimi? What is wrong with me? It drains. Imagine sasa, nimeka live dakika ngapi? Nimeka live 1 hour. Na mumeniosha kuniosha. Alafu unataka kuenda kuagi unamtoa. Lens. Na sijapiga nduru. Mimi nimepiga tu story zangu za jamba. Sijachamba mtu, sija analyze mambo ya mtu hainihusu. Me, I've just collected some pieces of stories za jaba. I put them together, tukapiga story, tukaenjoy, tukacheka. And put that wathogi handat. So guys, let us not spoil this beautiful moment. I will come back in the evening to pick a story. Kesho niko Bad Croy snack. Tomorrow tuko na Bad Croy snack. Wacheni niwaonyeshe na gari gani ndio watu wa kuita polisi wakuwe keen. Kesho tuko Bad Croy snack na hii gari. Hii hapa. Yes. Kesho tuko na hiyo gari mbele ya nyumba yangu. We are putting the rest of the things. Sawa. So wale watu wa kuita polisi msichelewe. Guys, jamani is very safe. Mtu asijaribu kukutisha. This country is the safest. Jamani, mtu asijaribu kukuchezea. Mtu akikuthreaten, naita polisi, mwambie ita. Tell that person, call the police, I'm waiting. Mtu asijaribu kukuweka. Hapa si Kenya, unaambia mtu nitakuitia polisi, my friend. Hapa kuna protocol. Amefanya nini? Uko na evidence. Aya, nendeni kotini. Kazi ya polisi tu ni kukuja kuangalia amefanya nini. Aya, nendeni kotini. That's it. So, we meet here in the evening. Kesho, we meet Bad Croy snack. Sawa. Thank you very much. Living. Ay, hiyo jina yako siwezi soma. So guys, we meet in the evening. I just came to say, I just want to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I just want to say I love you. And if anybody perturbs you, if anybody messes with your peace, treat them with love. From today, timu Nyako, rudisheni watu kwa upole. Wacheni kupanda temperature na pressure for no reason. Because at the end of the day, none of you is gonna look better than the other. You are all going to be the same. Hata kazini, when the boss shouts, mwambie yes afande. In all situations, remain stupid. Remain mnyonge. Because you know what? You are the winner. Dawa ya mjinga ni ukue mnyonge. I hope. Mbona mnaniambia wait? Kwa nini ni wait? Up Merupriti. Merupriti yako hapa? Merupriti hayuko hapa. She's not here. Tufike 300.
Oh my God.
Hi Merupriti.
Hey Nyako. Watu waniniwe platform yako na app. Me I was just coming to chill. Unaona? No app.
Platform yangu kwani you don't know how my platform used to be?
I know. They're like up. I'm just here chilling and listening. That's all.
Kwani uko na homa?
No, niko hapa na nini napika.
You are cooking.
Yeah, napika niko nyumbani. I'm cooking and cleaning.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is Anne?
She's doing great. Hata tumetoka kuongea na yeye. She's ako nini tied up kidogo, but she's doing well and she said I say hi. Tulikuwa naye kwa simu.
Oh, say hi to.
I will.
I don't hear about her anymore on TikTok. Alihama?
No, she's doing well. She's just, ametulia tu, but she's doing really well. She's doing good. Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah.
Sisi tuko tu tunapambana na hali.
I see that. You stay, do your thing, endelea vile unafanya.
Yeah.
That's all matters.
I
The way
think
you say.
we have argued enough. We have exchanged enough insults, and I just think it is time to do things that are productive on this platform.
Yeah, absolutely. That's true. It's not worth it to nini hold grudge kwa mtu even you've never met.
Yeah,
And
massaging people's ego.
Yes. And we always come and see you and stuff, and we are happy. We are very happy. You're looking good. You're looking, tuendelee tu hivyo. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just tutaongea. Huwa sitaki kuongea sana kwa hii platform, you know why. Sitaki watu wapate little sound bites. So we'll organize and talk on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
So, guys, that was Meru Priri. You know our history, where we started, where it ended, and now we are here again. We are not quitting TikTok because we have made bonds, we have made friends, we have made family. We are like family because kila mtu anajua story ya mwingine, and TikTok is also addictive. It is just a place for all of us. So some of us will be buried on TikTok. Some of us, we will buy our coffins on TikTok. Hatubanduki. Hii app ni ya mchina. It's either you just play smart na ujue kuishi na watu. When the temperature is going too much, bring it down. And I think for me, I want to concentrate on me and my followers. I just want to be positive. I don't want to massage anybody's ego on this platform. Afadhali nitoke na 10 coins zangu na ni zangu. I am not getting them because I am hating on somebody or because I am talking about somebody. No. I just want to get my coins because of my content, the way I used to. I want to stick on my lane. Do me. What anybody says out there, the opinion of anybody does not disturb my peace. So long as I don't make what those people are saying relevant in my life. You know yourself. So nobody's gonna put ideas or opinion and you will take it and unaanza kujihurumia. Ai, akia amesema hivi. Ai, nitaweka kichwa wapi? And so long as huyo mtu akutombi, mboro ni tamu sana. So long as that person talking shit about you, hawezi kukutomba. All is null and void. Mboro ni tamu, mboro ni muhimu. Mtu anakutomba, akileta feelings, utambembeleza, utamwambia babe. Aki babe, I'm sorry. Aki babe, nihurumie tu leo. Aki babe, unabembeleza mijolos. Sawa. All others is othering and all others is null and void. Mwanamke mwenzako kwa hii platform is null and void. Not important. Kelele. Tumechoka na kelele. We want productive talks. Things that can make us think ahead or things that are add value in our life on this platform. I hope the message is clear. Na kama huna cha kusema, usifungue kamera. Thank you. Funda, umezeeka tena sana. Nimezeeka tena sana and I will not feed your ego. Umekuja kuona mwanamke amezeeka? Ndio, nimezeeka. Kuja na matusi ingine. Nimezeeka na mimi ndio ule msee bado. If I don't come, you will be scrolling all TikTok looking for me. Mimi ndio ule msee. Na siendi popote. I am here to stay. You get your money gun, I get my money gun. You get your lion, I get my lion. Si banduki. TikTok ni ya mchina. Thank you, very important, and let us meet in the evening. Thank you so much all my gifters. Kama naweza wakumbuka, Mo, Merupriti, VK, Judy P. Nani tena amebaki? Nani amebaki? Just Be Kind, Riza, Marriott, Tindi, Miss Dictator, Chinedu, Opondo, Ruman, Yusuf. Thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you. I love you, and let us keep it here. Afadhali tubaki watu 50 and we keep to our content. TikTok ni content. TikTok sio violence. Thank you. I love you. We see us in the evening. Bye bye.
So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Remember to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.